everybody, welcome back to BoatFools Sailing. So today is October 7th and you'll have to excuse my appearance. We're getting hit with the remnants of Tropical Storm Philippe. Just a couple weeks ago we got nailed with the remnants of Hurricane Lee. So we've had back-to-back storms up here that have been pretty wild. So we're due to get heavy rain and wind tonight, and yesterday we moved our boat from Camden down to Rockport, Maine, where we're getting hauled out on this Monday morning. So we're hoping this blows through and we're able to get the boat dried out tomorrow and get the sails off, etc. So it's been a harried few days. And speaking of Rockport, Maine, I want to mention that a couple weeks ago I had an amazing celebrity moment. I was able to attend Kirsten Newschafer's presentation at the Rockport Opera House. And at that time it was billed as her only U.S. stop. And I was able to score tickets. I went with my wife and my mother and father, and I have to say it was extraordinary. There were 180 people on the wait list to get into that presentation, and I have to say that it lived up to the billing. Kirsten is an amazing person, and it was just so inspiring. And I've hung out with some cool sailors in my day, including Gary Jobson, and Kirsten, she took the cake. I was starstruck. I was like a teenage girl at a Taylor Swift show. I was in awe. I was screaming, crying, at least on the inside, and delighted to see her presentation. She was so inspiring, and the slideshow and movie presentation was off the charts, excuse the pun. So, in any event, it's been a wild few days, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're introducing a new segment called On the Hard. And these are going to be shorter segments and basically boat tours of some interesting boats that we find for sale. And in this particular case, in this first episode, our correspondent and BoatFool number 2, Josh, from up in Vermont, found a really nice looking Tartan 3500 for sale. It's for sale because the owner is experiencing health issues and needs to move it. And when this was filmed about a week ago, the boat was listed at $85,000. It's already dropped $79,000, as you'll note in the video. And the seller is very anxious to unload this boat quickly. So we thought we'd rush to get this up there and show you what it was all about in case there's someone out there who wants to find the perfect family boat, perfect boat for a couple or for a solo sailor. So come along and check it out and enjoy this episode. And just note that we have gotten some new camera gear that we'll be employing in the future episodes, so you won't have the shake and the wind noise and that sort of thing. So enjoy this, and we look forward to presenting more of these cool boats to you in the future as we find them. All right, let's go.
Welcome back to BoatFools on the Hard, the Vermont edition. Here we are in Port Charlotte, taking a look at a beauty that's for sale. Tartan 35, the Moon Dancer. Newly on the market, listed at $85,000. She is fast. She has got a nice bulbed winged keel, 3-blade prop. Looks like a new shaft. Needs a little love, a little bright work here and there. Man, double spreader, 35 feet. It's got a Yanmar 27 horsepower engine. It's a small swim platform. That's nice. Pretty. Split backstay, radar, nice Garmin system in front of the bimini. I bet this boat moves very well. Look at that. Oh, she's a thing of beauty there. Nice. So just wanted to bring it to your attention that this just hit the market. The owner's got some poor health issues, and he's going to get rid of her hopefully this year. We have found a really nice gem here among all these boats in the boatyard. She is 1999 built and bred. She's 35 feet long, and she is set up for single-handed cruising or racing if you want. She's got roller furling headset, double track. She's got a windlass electric, beautiful, nice CQR anchor. We've got double spreaders, radar in play, split backstay. The sails are in average to good shape. All the lines are leading aft into the cockpit area, which is advantageous for staying dry and staying safe. This boat can be easily single-handed. It's got the Garmin system set up right on the binnacle, which is nice. And look at some of these stainless steel options here. Dorades, beautiful, nice ventilation for the boat this size. It's got all the ports are also stainless, and he's got screens for all these ports. So you got a lot of ventilation, which is really nice. Again, all of your sheets run aft into the cockpit, and it's quite a good size cockpit too. Let's go back here for a minute. We've got all Harkin gear, all blocks, winches, and shaper block system here, so everything leads back, which is great. Big wide cockpit. It's got a nice folding table here so you can sit. Beverage of choice. She's laid out really well. We've got a Dodger here, hard bimini here, split backstay, which I like to do a little more headroom for us tall people when you're steering. And here's the Garmin nav system right here, which saves you probably to go down below. Showing a little wear on some of the bright work, but nothing too severe. And the lifelines are looking a little rusty, so they might need to be replaced in the near future. Again, we've got radar, we've got Garmin, we've got auto helm, lots of storage, and a nice big comfortable cockpit. Let's take a look down below. Rocking and rolling.
We are going.
Excellent. Down below, good height. I'm 6'2", and I can walk around here comfortably, which is nice. Nice bright work. Again, needs a little bit of love. You can see some of the wear and some of the sun bleaching it out, but that's nothing too hard to fix, really. So the starboard side, we got the galley. Nice 3-burner stove, which is great. Gimbaled. Aft is the nav station here. There you go. Get a nice shot of that. Beautiful, nice place. Good space. Deep dish sink, which is great. You got your ice box here. Pretty deep. That's nice. You got your satay. Nice table. Drop leaf. Folds up. And forward, you have a nice private V berth. Great for sleeping or sail storage, which is currently doing right now. And you got a nice big hatch. I love all these portals. These are great. A lot of airflow in here. Alright, on the port side, we've got one head and shower. Could use a little rub-a-dub-dub, but it's adequate in size, which I like. And then we've got an aft stateroom or quarter berth. Oh yeah, plenty of room for 2 people in there. That's a big one. And then lastly, we'll take a quick peek at the engine. Yanmar, 27 horsepower, in very good shape. If I can just pull this out here. Get a shot of that, sir. Little surface rust, nothing to worry about. Belts look pretty good. New pulley in the bottom. Oil filter was changed in June of 2022. New water impeller in May of 2022. I won't bore you with the specs right now. We'll have that up on the website soon enough. But all in all, she is a very nice looking boat. I love all the bright work down here. It's nice and airy. Got a lot of space. And she's on for sale right now with Bruce Hill Yacht Brokerage. The list price is currently $85,000. So if you're interested in a good sized boat for comfort, cruising, or racing, take a look at this Tartan 35. We'll get back with some more information a little later. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, put it in your queue, take a look at it, more video to come. You all take care. This is BoatFool number 2 from Vermont, reporting on the hard.